G'day guys, my name's Taz. Just a real quick one today. Going to install these really cool bar end mirrors that I got from thirdgear.com.au on Steve. So that'll sit there and it'll just get these mirrors out of the way of my face and to the end of the bars. I think it'll give a better retro look. It's just a quick video, but we'll install them, see how we go. So 17. Okay, it's just a 17 to undo this bolt, and just remember on a Yamaha you've got a left and right hand thread. So we want a craft knife. To just take out and expose the bar. Fucking in. 13, of course. Yeah. Not sure why when you buy things from the internet, particularly China, they're 13. The Japanese bikes are 12 or 14 aftermarket. Just a 6mm. Tighten that. And that's pretty much all there is to it. So just a 17. Just remember again, there's a left and right hand thread on a Yamaha. Put it off. Just a craft knife. And just a 6mm to tighten this Allen key at the back. So just adjust your switch gear to make sure that your clutch lever can pass without hitting, and your brake lever doesn't hit. So guys, that's the install of the bar and mirrors from thirdgear.com.au on Steve, my XV750. I think they look great. I think they look a little bit more specific to the era that I'm going for on Steve. Just make sure that you can pull your clutch in and your brake in without these interfering. You might need to just pull your switch gear in a little bit. Just a little bit of messing about, but well worth it. So these are on, they're adjusted, and in my opinion they look fantastic. I hope you like them, and if you do, give a thumbs up, like, comment, please subscribe to the channel for more XV750 videos and go back through the playlist to see the other budget bobber builds. If you would like to support my channel, go to buymeacoffee.com/iRideTaz, put some fuel in my tank and some tread on my tyres. Help me make these videos to bring to you guys. So, till I see you next time, my name's iRideTaz. I'm out, guys.
Uh-huh.